Hey everybody, do you want to have the inside of your truck look like this, or, all right, now here's the after, or the back of your truck going from this to this. Here's the back of the truck bed before, and here's what the truck bed looks like after. And this is what the light looks like inside the trunk before. This is what you see when you open up the trunk. Hey, so what we're actually talking about is just converting your old incandescent lights on the inside of your truck or car to LEDs. It's pretty simple. This is just a matter of essentially popping off wherever those lights are, taking the old bulb out, putting the LED in, and calling it done. Now, everybody's car or truck is going to be a little different, so you might have to go on the internet to find the right types of bulbs you need for this application. So in my case, I have a 2017 Honda Ridgeline. So the Ridgeline needs different kinds. So I'm not going to do the outside, I'm just doing the interiors. So I'll have two lights that go in the truck bed itself, which I'm doing these super duper bright ones. These should be about 4 to 5 times as bright as what I already have. And then I have 4 of these dudes, which are, they go on the inside. So if you really care, 2017 Honda Ridgeline, if you want in the back, go look for 168s, 2 of them in the back for the cargo. And then you need 4 2825s. Or if you want to be really lazy, just get 6 194s and they all work just fine. So let's go get these things popped in there and I'll show you how it's done. All right, so the truck bed lights are going to be pretty easy. I'm doing this at night so we can actually see the difference, but it's just one little screw. And the thing you got to remember about LEDs is that an LED is polar, so if it doesn't work the first time, you have to take the light out and just switch it around. Remember I told these things are polared, so if it's in and it's not turning on, take it out, flip it around, and there you go. And here's what the truck bed looks like after. How cool is that? Super bright, super lovely. All right, so now that you're on the inside, it's gonna be a little different. These incandescent bulbs get hot, kind of sucks, but there's a couple ways around that. What you can do is you can sit in your truck for a while, or car, close the doors, get yourself a flashlight, or if you're in the middle of the day, you can do it, obviously, but and then wait for these to cool down, then pop them out. Depending on what kind of vehicle you have, they will come out different ways. What I would suggest getting is a interior piece pry bar. These are very cheap. You can get these almost for nothing on Amazon or wherever, but they don't scratch up your vehicle, so do that. Anyway, so what we're going to do is pry off the covers for these lights and then switch out the bulbs. Do the same thing we did before. Remember, if they don't turn on when you plug it in, it's probably because they have to be just turned around. Okay, let's get moving. Now, look at the backs. These are way brighter. You can see my face much clearer. It's got to be at least 2 or 3 times the amount of, easily 3 times the amount of light back here. And with the white LEDs, it looks a lot more up class too. Well, might as well. All right, let's do the fronts and get her done. All right, now here's the after. It is a huge, huge improvement to the inside of this truck. Now I can see damn near everything in here, and this took maybe 2 minutes to pop out. So very easy upgrade. Way brighter, talking at least 4 to 5 times. Nice part is with these ridge lines, you also get this trunk narrow. Now I can easily see that trunk. What I might consider doing is even putting reflective material in those little divots to even intensify the light even more. But that took 2 minutes, maybe. And then real dramatic is the inside of the truck. Now the inside of the truck is bright, it's airy, and I'll tell you, for about $30 worth of bulbs, you know, because these are about between $5 and $7.50 a piece, I mean, it's a hell of an improvement to the interior quality of your vehicle. It makes it look more modern, makes it look more slick, and more importantly, you ain't gonna have to worry about those bulbs popping out for basically the life of the vehicle. I think the thing that would happen more would be they fall out of the socket before you have a problem. So they are very white, very bright. But there you go. Well, if you guys like that kind of stuff and are interested in more of these videos, go ahead and check me out, subscribe, and I hope that you have success in your project. See ya.